Hey there, have you ever seen you are wishing and hoping to do something great that will help you to lead a generous and prosperous life? You start for that, but a small distance you cover, you got distracted and start for another. You walk for another mission. For this problem, I have tried to find a solution by reading a book by Brian Tracy called Eat That Frog. Lastly, you need to be very selective. In the very first morning, you need a plan about all your walks. Among them, you need to select the most important one, which is also the hardest to do. Do that fast, and most importantly, do a plan before handle it. The very next solution is to take an action immediately after planning. There was a survey held about those employees who get faster promotion. Do you know? Then please comment down below. We will highly satisfied after receiving your response. The answer is those people who are having a quality of action orientation. Every successful people have a disciplined life. When they are in a task, they do it single-mindedly and steadily. If you are that hungry man of success, then you must need to know about the habit of success. Learn about those mental and physical skills like reading, writing, communication, computer, and exercise. Habits actually comes from repetition and practice. After many times of repetition, it adapted to your subconscious mind. Then it becomes a habit. There is one more so-called success secret. That is positive addiction. When you develop this addiction, you start to eliminate the bad one by the good one. And when you develop it in your unconscious level, you get more clarity, confidence, and completeness. And you become start to organize your life such a way that will make you more disciplined and determined. No shortcuts. There is a story. Once a man stopped a musician on New York Street to know how to enter in Carnegie Hall. The musician just answered, "Practice, man, practice." Practice is the key for mastering any skill. And fortunately, we got brain, which work more finer after more practicing. With practice, you can achieve anything hardest in this world. Then success is not so far from anyone. There is 3D for forming a habit: decision, discipline, and determination. Decision will make you action oriented. Discipline will help you to practice those principles every day and make you automatic. And determination will help you to lock habits in your subconscious mind until it becomes a permanent part of your life. Visualize what you want to be. Visualization will give you an instant potential for taking an action for what you want to be. When your body and mind leaves you in the mid of your mission, just imagine or visualize why you have started this mission. Visualize where you wanted to be one day. Think yourself at that position, and nextly think what you are doing right now. If it is forwarded towards your mission, then go for it. If it is backward sliding, then get a rid out of it.